9 to 5, put the work in. Flaws and all, I love them all. Don't be a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. 'Cause I don't want.
It's your girl ReRe from Texas, back with another video. In this video, I will just be showing you guys how I apply eyeliner to the bottom of my eyes and to the top of my eyes. This is going to be a long-lasting eye pencil by Essence. It's just something quick that I picked up from outside. Y'all know this your girl's store. I do have a mirror in front of me. However, when I'm doing anything with my eyes, not so much my eyeshadow, but like when it needs to be precise when it comes to eyeliner and putting on eyelashes and things of that sort, I do like to use a little compact mirror. Now, lately, I've realized this really makes my eyes pop when I do this step. Do not skip this step. And if you do not know how to do it, make sure you practice till you learn. I like to go across the top of my waterline under my eyelashes so that it can be darker. Once I put my eyelashes on, it just make it pop. I'm telling you. Try this and come back and leave a comment and tell me. Okay, so I start here. And I'm just brushing it on up in there lightly each where I go. You can already tell like it's a difference already. And if you're feeling real frisky, let's do two rounds. All right, that's good. So I'm gonna go over here and do the same thing. I will say I'm holding my mirror down and looking down into it. And you gotta be careful because now I'm watering over here because I think I went a little too far into that eye. But nonetheless, it's not too bad. I'm catching before it start dripping. I used to have a fan up here, but I don't have one now. Okay, so now I can use my mirror that's in front of me and I can go in and do the bottom. I like to use my pointing finger and pull it down. And apply like that. You want to be careful about not pulling your eye down because if you just apply on the outer like that, it is going to be a heavy dark look. And if that's what you want for, go ahead, sis. But if you're trying to just create a nice seamless look, you need to pull it down and go in the inner of your waterline. And it'll show up like this. Okay, let's do this one. You can stay in a controlled area. You don't have to do one full swipe. It might be even easier to stay in a controlled area and then move a little along the ways. See how I'm doing little by little and I'm controlling within that area. Voila, there you have it. And that is how you apply pencil eyeliner. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Make sure you like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Make sure you share. And I will see you guys in my next video. It's your girl, ReRe from Texas.